In this video, I am going to show you how to add HTML code to Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is the widget that I have created on Elif site, and now I need to copy this HTML code and add it to my Wix website. So I am going to copy this code from here, go back to my Wix website editor, and then from the top I am going to click on add elements. Now I am going to select embed code from here and then select embed HTML. After that I am going to paste my code here and then click on update. And now if I close it from here, here we will see the result of the code that we have added to our Wix website, and now we can place it anywhere else on the website, and also we can increase or decrease the size of this widget. So this is how you can add HTML code to your Wix website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.